So this US dollar CAD analysis for Friday the 4th of May. Now, let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So we did mention previously that we have gone into a bit of a trading range here on the US dollar CAD. And as we can see, this trading range is playing itself out. What we can see here is we've come down towards that lower end of the trading range, being around at 128.20, from which we have seen buy side momentum coming to the market. Again, we've seen the buy side momentum finding resistance in around at 129. Again, we've come down towards that 128.39. That is the level I've got marked out here on the charts, 128.39, even though we've been forming lower end of the trading range, being around at 128.20. But I've got the 128.39 marked out, and again, we've come down towards that level and found support. So from where we are, from finding the support as 128.39, with the added confluence of a 200 period moving average, we are seeing a bit of a bullish bounce at the moment. So if we do some momentum continuation, we're looking for a move up towards that 129 level, from which again we could see that sell side momentum bring us back down towards that 128.39. If we do break out to the downside beyond the 128.20, we're looking for a move down towards that 127.78, successful break from which we're looking for price to head down towards that 27.56. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, I wouldn't anticipate us moving 170 pips in a day. If we do break out beyond the 127.56, I'd possibly expect to move down towards a 127.40, which I would expect to be the far end of the range here to the downside, where we do have the 400 period moving average, and we might see a bit of a bullish bounce there. So I wouldn't anticipate 127 coming to focus, but if we do break out to the upside, if we eventually, after having several tests of this 129 level, if we do eventually break out and hold above the 129, we're looking for a move up towards a 129.44, the very next level of significance, from which we could see sell side momentum return to the market. But if we do break from there, also beyond the 129.44, we're looking for a move up towards our 130 level here on the US dollar CAD. Beyond 130, the very next level is 131. So beyond 130, if we do see a very volatile move beyond the 130, we might see a move up towards a 130.50, but don't anticipate us closing above the 130 level here on the US dollar CAD. Let's have a brief look here at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US dollar CAD. So we have a brief look at the daily chart, get scale on here correct. So we can see that after having this very strong move here from this 125.30, gone to this bit of a consolidation, and we're increasingly testing that 129 level, which has proven itself to be resistance. So we'll see whether we do get a breakout and a significant move in the market and move up towards that 130 level here on the US dollar CAD. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar CAD analysis. Thanks for watching.